let me clear something here. Over copyright my own. Anybody that contributes to making music, piano, owns part of the music. It starts from the artist, the otro no, the obo beat no, the otua nyom later, the yeah sound the bia crack no. General rule, they own a portion of it. However, say yes, sign contract there, then the contract then determines and defines how those rights now a one panel it will be distributed according to Amable, who is the counsel for Ground Up Charlie, who I know personally. I've spoken and gotten some brief from him.
Okay.
The contract that Kwesi signed clearly indicated that everything Biana a war and Numna Yemono belongs to Ground Up. The only thing Kwesi was entitled, they say, I say, let me give an example. Oh yeah, Jumanu bin a Juma. But me be with you, when you how much he makes a on one. So court not am so and the other said
True.
so the only interest that Kwesi had was that the first contract was a 60-40 Ground Up better 60 now Kwesi for 40 time or more renew no crown and I'm saying Kwesi imagery a cost no they then changed the revenue split and made it 50-50.
Okay.
And so in terms of revenue allocation for artist management, that was the agreed term, and so it is.
Okasa no Oka say because lawyer now represent a Ground Up no or a friend, you've had a chance to at least you have preview to some of the contracts and the clauses. Really, was there any clause na bind the Kwesi in anywhere the publishing so was being owned by the label, and I said with the publishing there he has it to himself?
Okay, like I was saying, in terms of intellectual property rights, Kwesi himself owns a portion of anything that he produced whilst with Ground Up.
Okay.
But at the contract side, time I was inside contract, he assigned all his rights in publishing, in revenue stream, even after he leaves the label to the label. So the only thing Kwesi was entitled to, the revenue split 40-60 for the first contract and a brown more or medical 50-50. That's why I kept saying there. It be as a brand, Kwesi ko sign contract and no pay lawyer be next year. I work as a director for New Nation Music. New Nation Music, the artists I wear Amado Bena, your man them your pick, your Kwesi Fusion. And then I've done a bit of work for Family Paluta and with YV Digital and Chame Kwame episode no. And when it comes to contract management, it's a special contract that you need somebody with the requisite skill and expertise that will need more than any so. If you can Kwesi pay, ubia unim a bit of IP law and go kind contract nima, and those assignment of image in perpetuity. Come to cry and say, okay. A brown and name over the mean to me, so name me free what they are. I have about 5 years, I have about 3 years, I have about 2 years. Let me usual until the 10 minutes.